Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. It's story time. Today I am going to share a very important story with you all. I think everyone should hear the story. Uh, Also, I would like to thank few people who gave me many feedback how to improve my work, to get tripod, to try some editing apps, and many ideas. For all those feedback, I really feel appreciated. To many of you, I am not in contact for many years, but still you people have sent me messages, and I really feel appreciated about your messages and feedback. I know you people are giving me ideas to improve my work, so I really feel happy about it. Okay, let me begin the story. Today's story is an inspirational story of an old watch and self worth. A father said to his son, "Here is a old watch your grandfather gave me. It is almost 200 years old. Before I give it to you, I want you to go to a marketplace and tell them that you want to sell this watch and see how much they would offer you." First day, the son goes to the marketplace, and he stands for a whole day in the sun and trying to get the best price for the watch. Many people offered him many price, but the highest price he was offered was 20 rupees, because that watch was it was very old watch. Then he came back to home and told his father that he was offered 20 rupees as the highest. Okay. Next day, again, father asked the son to go to the jewelry store in the city and ask them how much they would offer for this watch. Okay, the son goes to the shopkeeper, a jewelry shop owner, and gives the old watch and asks them the how much he would like to offer for that watch. After analyzing, the jewelry shop owner says that he would offer 200 rupees for that old watch because there is a scratch. Okay, the son felt happy that he is offered more than yesterday, and he comes back home and tells his father that he was offered 200 rupees for that watch. Third day, the father told his son to go to the museum and ask them the value of the watch. Then third day, son goes to the museum, and there the son was surprised when the curator offered him 4 lakhs rupees for that old piece of watch to keep that with your antique collection. The son came back home, and with excitement he told his father that he was offered surprise. He was also surprised and excited to tell his father that he was offered 4 lakhs rupees. Here the father says, "I wanted you to know, show you that the right place would offer you the right value in the right way. Don't find yourself in the wrong place and get angry that you are not valued. Never stay in a place where someone doesn't see your self-worth or you don't feel appreciated." Okay? People who don't know their value settle for less than what they are. Let it be in relationships or in job or in friendships, wherever they know they are more worth, but they settle for someone else's definition of their self-worth. Most people will allow just anyone to influence their perception of themselves, but people who love their life refuse to accept the opinions of small minded people. Don't let them put a price on you. You set a price. You set your own price, and don't go giving discounts to people so you can fit in and be liked. People pleasers never end up happy in their life. Put yourself first. Give yourself the most priority. Shock those people who doubted you. Commit. You take today. One second. It's time to demand more. It's time to prove once and for all who you are, who you will become, and what you will never settle for again. Day by day, brick by brick, you start now. You build the foundations through the self work you put in every single day. Build yourself up and to become an unbreakable force, an unstoppable machine. Today is the day. When it comes to your own self worth, there is no tomorrow. Know your worth and never ever settle for anything less. Never stay in a place where someone doesn't see your value or you don't feel appreciated. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling always. I hope you all like this video. If you all like this video, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.